Here is the Hanalei Lip Treatment in Pumpkin Spice, and it smells amazing. This is also in a 15-gram bottle, and it also is made of agave, kukui oil, shea butter too, and it's very moisturizing on your lips. So this is what it looks like, and you can easily squeeze it on your lips, and what's really nice is a little goes a long way. And it really nourishes your lips, and you should see a difference on your dry or chapped lips within a day. That's how quickly it works, and it feels so good. And this is what it looks like, and here I go. And like I said, a little goes a long way. This will last me for so long, and then it just has a twist on cap, and here it goes. And this is also made in the USA, and it's also paraben free as well. Here's a close-up of what it looks like, and like I said, a little goes a long way. I was sent this from Hanalei, and I absolutely love it. I think you will too. Thanks for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.